Welcome back to Great Day St. Louis, my friends. You know, as temperatures rise, and I know you felt it already, now is the time to ensure that your HVAC system is ready to keep you cool all summer long, because July, August, I don't even want to think about it. We're very happy to have Katrina with Aire Serv with us this morning to pass along some tips as we get ready for those scorching months ahead. Katrina, there's no stopping it. We know they're coming, right?
It is.
Nice to have you here.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Tell me a little bit about yourself and about Aire Serv.
Yeah, so my name is Katrina. I'm the operations manager with Aire Serv of St. Louis. We are the heating and cooling hub of the neighborly companies of St. Louis. So we service the Jefferson, Franklin, St. Louis counties, as well as St. Louis City. So we have you covered for all of your HVAC needs. So service, maintenance, installs, new construction, we'll get you taken care of. One-stop shop, absolutely.
And that's what we need when things go downhill in a hurry. But let's try to not get into that situation in the first place. How can we make sure that that air conditioner is going to be ready to kick on when it needs to kick on? And just as importantly, how do we ensure that it keeps running when we need it most during those long, hot summer months?
Yeah, absolutely. So my biggest suggestion would be a AC Precision tune-up. So we offer it for everyone, but it's also part of our Gold Member Advantage Plan membership. So getting somebody out there, checking those Freon levels, checking capacitors, contactors, making sure everything is working properly, but also cleaning it out, making sure that when it is working, it's doing so in the most efficient way possible, trying to keep your HVAC lows, your cooling bills low. But also, you know, making sure that it runs when it needs to on those hottest days. It never goes out at a good time. So
no, gosh, I've noticed that. No, that never does happen. I want to circle back to something. You mentioned the Home Advantage Plan. Can you share a little more with our audience about how that might actually save them some time and money when it comes to these sort of preventative checkups?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a Gold membership available. So it includes your fall and your spring tune-up. So we come out twice a year, clean your system, make sure it's running optimally. It also gets you 15% off. So anything you would need, any service, filters, anything like that, you get a discount. But it also, that discount extends to our sister companies, Mr. Rooter and Mr. Electric.
Oh, wow. So this is going to pay for itself.
It does.
It's a no-brainer.
You have a waived service call fee, and then you get priority scheduling with all 3 branches as well. So it's a great deal for homeowners.
Bumped up to the top of the list.
You are, yeah, absolutely.
Let's talk about, you know, you've gone through as much preventative maintenance as you can. Maybe it's time to retire the system you have now. If you're looking to do a full replacement of your system, why should people watching choose Aire Serv?
So we stand behind our product and our installation. So a big thing with our company is that we wouldn't install anything in your home that we wouldn't install on our own. So that's very big for us. So we are Amana dealers. We offer a wide variety of products, and so does Amana. So they offer standard efficiency up to high efficiency inverter systems. So we do really have something available for every budget and every need in your home.
Love it, and they'd be happy to walk you through all of that. Katrina,
absolutely.
Thank you for popping in. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate you.
A little cooler already.
I love it.
About July and August. All right, call Aire Serv at 636-223-8901 to book your next appointment. Or you can find them on the web at aireserv.com. Oh, and listen to this, guys. Right now, you can get up to $900 cash back when you upgrade your home's HVAC equipment through Ameren. Don't miss out on that opportunity. So call today. Don't wait.